Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of visiting this channel, my name is Abigail Ogumolade. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you step by step on how you can create your Facebook business page. So before we get into the full training, let me just do a little bit introduction of what this channel stands for. So this channel is for two categories of people: the business owner and the people that wants to make money online. So if you're a business owner, you want to grow your business online, you want to generate massive sales using Facebook and Instagram ad, this channel is here for you. So you need to subscribe to my channel, guys. So if you are new to this channel, you are here to subscribe to my channel, please guys kindly subscribe to my channel. And to those that have subscribed to my channel, I want to say a very big thank you. I really appreciate it. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And for those that are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button. And the second categories of people that this channel is meant for is people that wants to make money online. If you want to make money online, as they want to make money online, this channel is yet for you. To make money online, you need to have a product or services, or you need to have a high income digital skill. So I release video tutorial on high income digital skills such as Facebook ad, Instagram ad, website designing, and web development. So if you want to become an expert, you want to become a guru in Facebook ad, digital advertising, this channel is meant for you. And also, I share tips and tricks on how you can make cool money on Facebook. So stick to this channel. Please, guys, I say once again, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, guys, please, what are you still waiting? Before we get into the full training, please, guys, this really means a lot to me. Kindly subscribe to my channel and please kindly hit the notification bell. So anytime we release video tutorial like this, you will always be notified. And please kindly like this video. Thank you so much. So let's get into the full training. So guys, to create your Facebook business page, you need to log into your Facebook account. So this is my own Facebook account, your Facebook business profile. Then you come to the left side, you can see where pages is. You click on pages. Do you understand? So if you want to run an ad, you want to run adverts, you need to create your Facebook business page. That's the first thing you need to do. So after clicking that, you come to create a new page. Do you understand? Create a new page. So after you click on that, it's going to bring you to this place, this interface. It's asking you for your page info. Now the page you want, your name, what do you want to name your page, depending on the product you are selling. So I'm going to use HBZKD Health Wellness because I want to promote, I want to run ad on this particular product. So I'm using this. So after you put in your page name, it's going to ask for the categories of the products you are selling or the services. So depending on, if you're a web designer, you should know that you click on web designing, web designer. If you are selling health products, I'm selling health products, for example. So I'm going to click on, is that health and wellness, health and fitness, depending on, the category. If you're into skincare product, you choose that. Do you understand? So it gives you option like three categories you can select. So after then you come to descriptions. You write description about what you are offering, the services. If you're a clinic service, if you're offering a clinic service, you write description about that. So if you, any product you are selling, right, you need to write a brief intro so that when people come to your page, they can check on what you are doing. At least they will have idea of what you are into. So that is that about that. So after you have done that, you write a brief description. Then you comes to create your page. So you click on create page, right? So let me just correct that. You need to correct, okay. So I have Grammarly installed my phone, my system, so that anytime I make mistake like that, I will just use it. So click on create page. Click on create page. All right. So after clicking on create page, let's see what it's going to bring out. Okay. So good. Do you see how our Facebook page is looking like? Um, we are yet to upload our image, so it's asking us to, you just click on what saves. Once you click on save, it's going to bring you, it's going to ask you to, the next stage is to upload your profile picture. Now let me just explain something about this profile picture. So for your profile picture, you can use your business logo, right? So although I don't have the business logo yet, so I'm just going to use, I have some flyers here, so I'm going to use that. So for you that you want to create your business um Facebook page, business page. So for your logo, if you don't have money, you don't want to waste money, Canva is a good place to, platform to use to do that. It's free. All you need to do is just to sign in. So I'm trying to upload my profile picture here. So what you need to do before coming down here, go to your canva.com and sign in, and on the search bar, look for logo. Then there are a lot of templates, right? Lot of templates that you can use. It is free. Just edit. It gives you access to just edit. Then after you upload your profile picture, which is your logo, then you can upload your cover photo. Just make sure you upload and something that is very, very attractive. For the cover photo also, you can go to Canva to there it is free. Is a template just for you to what, edit it. So if you want me to create video tutorial on that, I can do that. So all you need to do what, so I'm just using my flyer. Yes, I just click on it, upload, and it's direct me to my gallery, and I upload it. So after you have uploaded that, all you need to do is what, click save. Do you understand? Click save. It's very straightforward. Click save. So after you click on save, let's wait, it's still loading. All right, it's going to bring you, it's going to ask you to connect your Facebook page to your WhatsApp. This is very, very important. Do you understand? So that I'm just going to put in my own WhatsApp number. Then I'm going to click on send code, right? They are going to send a code to your WhatsApp, right? Facebook is going to send a code to your WhatsApp. Then you input this that code. Do you understand? Although I'm not going to do that because I've already linked this my Facebook my WhatsApp number to another Facebook page. So it's not going to allow me. So I'm just showing you for those of you that are doing it newly. So all you need to do is to put your code, then it's going to be connected. So after that, you see under this 8BZ KD Health you see create a username. So you can create a username for your for your business. You can create a username so that it will, username makes people to easily find you. But I'm not going to do that. Just create a username for your business. It's very easy. So I'm going to leave that aside. So then after then, you come to what's it called, add button. You see this add button, right? So it will bring you to this place. So it depends on the button you want to add. So if you want to add call button, you want to direct people to your WhatsApp. So you can select, depending on the button you want to add. Maybe you want people to direct, you want them to call you directly, or you want to send people to your WhatsApp message, to your WhatsApp account. So you can actually do that. So all you need to do is to click on the action button. This is called what? Action button. So it's very, very important for your business so that immediately people visit your page, if they want, they will have a free access to to you, either through your WhatsApp. So I click on WhatsApp right here. It's going, when you want to put your WhatsApp, it's going to ask you to click on what? Continue, right? It's going to ask for a code, but I'm not going to do that. Like I told you earlier, I've already linked my WhatsApp. Do you understand? With my Facebook page before, so they are not going to send this code. So, but for you that you are operating it new, so you will do that. Is that you put in your WhatsApp or for this now I'm putting my another phone number, right? I'm using another phone number because this my former number I can't use it. So this where you see US, change. If you're in Nigeria, just change it to Nigeria. Do you understand? Change it to Nigeria and put in your phone number, your WhatsApp business phone number. Don't use your normal WhatsApp, your WhatsApp business business account. So if you don't have a WhatsApp business account, all you need to do is to go to Play Store and download and install on your phone. It's very easy, straightforward. So just click on Nigeria and put in your WhatsApp number. Then you click on what's it called, submit. Then they are going to send, okay, for this I don't think they are going to send a code. So just click on save. So now if people click on this action button, which is the call button, it's going to allow them to call me directly. So after clicking on save, after 50 or 50 seconds, it's going to bring call button here. Instead of add a button, you can see edit call now. It's going to bring, it's supposed to be call button. So if it is WhatsApp, it's going to bring WhatsApp button. So This is our Facebook page. Now after then you click come to we've already created our page. All the other ones are just settings. So you click on more. After clicking on more, you click on let's click on more. So you click on manage tab. So hold on, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so manage tab. So it comes to under this tab, come to just click on reset to default. What we are just trying to do is here, your Facebook page, the way the Facebook does it, the Facebook business page is like your business Facebook profile. So there are other things that can confuse your customer when they visit your page. So we want our page to be clean. So there are so many things that are on the page that we don't want. So all you need to do is to click on that tab, go to reset for default, then off all this tab. Yeah, all this tab to make your Facebook page look neat, so that when people visit your page, they will understand what your page is for. You understand? It won't confuse them. It will not confuse your customer too. It's not good to have so many things on your Facebook page, Facebook business page at the same time. So off all these things are not really required. So all you need to do is okay. After you have done that, just go back to our to your Facebook business, to your page. Okay. So this is, you can see how clean it is. So this is our Facebook business page. So we've already created that. So all you need to do is to come to, you see this enter location. So you can edit your page info from here. You see enter location. So you can enter your location address. Then you can enter your website. If you have a website, you can put in your website. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to enter my website address, the link. So if you don't have the website, you can put what's it called, you can put your landing page link or your WhatsApp link also. You can also put it there. So I'm going to do that. So after you have done that, then so that is saved automatically. So you go back, then we'll add my, if you want to add your phone number, you can do that, your email address, then your business hour. Mm? So your edit page, you can click on edit page to edit or any one of these. So edit your, so let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so you want to edit our page business hour. So I always make sure that I always leave it open. Do you understand? So I always leave my Facebook business hours open. So anytime, any day, people can contact me. Do you understand? Don't make a mistake in putting it permanently unless you want to close your page, unless you want to close the page. So always use always open. Do you understand? So I'm going to click that. So that is saved. It's saved automatically. Then you go back. All right. Sorry about this. Okay. Okay, so this is just how to create your Facebook business page. So if you want to view your page, all you need to do is to go to pages and go to see all pages. Then you can see other pages that I've created. So this is the page I just created. So if you want to view the page, just click on that page, HBZKD. So this is our Facebook business page. So you can see all the tools beside it, the news feed where you receive news, messenger tools, you know, notification, insights where you see the performance of your Facebook business page. Do you understand? Planner, if you want to schedule your post, you can do that under planner. Do you understand? So news feed, um, you know, those are the major things. We've already done that. Do you understand? So that is just how to create your Facebook business page. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, please, and kindly like this video, and please kindly give this video a thumb up. Do you understand? So that will be the end of this tutorial. See you another time.